Hello and welcome to a new episode from ZyXEL Support Campus. Today I want to introduce the NWA55AXE Wi-Fi 6 access point to you. It's a universal access point that can be used outside to repeat your existing wireless or to extend it if you use it on Nebula portal. We show the different ways of installation and we take of course a look to the box content. Now let's see what's inside the box. ZyXEL offers the device in an eco-friendly box that is mainly made out of cardboard. The device body itself is not wrapped in plastic. Inside the box you find the device, and under the cover you can see the connection for the alarm cable and the antennas. The antennas are also included in the box. Besides, you also find the Power over Ethernet connector and the respective power cable, a LAN cable, and a little foil bag that contains plugs and screws as well as the fitting. So the installation of the device is quite easy because it's already compact, water safe, and you only need to connect it to antennas and the LAN cable and then close the cover. You can then install the device on a wall mount with two holes, or you can use claws that fit the device around a pole mount. You can use standard claws that are supposed to fit also tubes, for example. The device needs a cable installation because otherwise you are not able to power it up. So we always need to use the Power over Ethernet injector or a Power over Ethernet switch, even though you are not connecting the device with Nebula. Now we show how to easily install the device under the Nebula portal. Download the Nebula app from your local store and start installing the device using the QR code. First you have to open the box like shown before, then you attach the cable to connect it to a LAN port, close the cover and tight it fit with the fitting. Ensure the device is tightened with the fitting for waterproof. Then you install it using the PoE injector or a PoE switch to your local infrastructure and the internet connection. Now we start using the app. First you log in using your account or you create an account. Then you install a site name and the organization, scan the code from the box and the device will be added to your local organization. While the device is booting, it will register to the Nebula portal and you can add a Wi-Fi profile to the device. Create a new wireless profile or add the device to an existing. Then you can see that the device is applied to your dashboard and it's online. There is no LED on the device, so you have to check the dashboard if the device is online. The Nebula app is easy to add your new product with the mobile app, but you can also use the web portal. Also here you start creating an account or sign into the portal. Then you have to add an organization and a site in 4 simple steps. Country is for the time zone. Then you add the MAC address and the serial number of your device and the device will be registered to your dashboard. Add your device to an existing Wi-Fi profile or create a new one. The next step, you can also create a guest Wi-Fi using a different name and a different password. Also here we are done, your device will be added to your organization and you can see that it's online on the dashboard. That's the only way to identify your device is working because there's no LED on the device. The NWA55AXE is easy to extend your Wi-Fi in the outdoor area using the Nebula app or the portal. And now I'm going to introduce the manual installation using the graphical user interface. Of course, there can be a good reason why you should not use the Nebula application, because when you want to repeat or extend your existing wireless. Install the device using the supply like Power over Ethernet and boot it up. It will show in your wireless list using the word ZyXEL and the last 4 digits of the MAC address. Now you can connect to this open network using 1.1.1.1. Be aware that this trick is only working one time. After the second installation, you have to identify the device on the DHCP client list. I've prepared that already to you. The user guide also shows that this is only working for one-time configuration. Now we have to identify the device on the DHCP list, then log in using the word admin in small letters and the password 1234. After the first login, the device starts with the installation wizard. Make sure to note down all changes that you are going to change to the device from now on, because you will not be able to reset the device as there is no reset button. In step 1 you change time zone, step 2 the password for the login to the device. In step 3 you can change the wireless settings like bandwidth and channels. In step number 4 you change the SSID and the security of the SSIDs that should be sent out. And in step number 5 you get a complete overview of your changes and then apply. Like I said, don't forget to note everything down that you changed, especially the password for login to the device and the security key. After the device has been changed in the SSIDs, you apply the changes to the device and it has to boot up again. We are just doing a basic configuration of the device here. The changes of root and repeat and WDS bridge will be changed later when we have access to the graphical user interface. The device reminds you that changing the settings now will change the SSID. After the reboot of the device, you can find it back in your wireless list with the new settings. Log into the device using the new SSID key and password. Make sure to identify the device now on the DHCP client list and log in to the graphical user interface again using the IP address of the device. Log into the graphical user interface using the user admin and the new password that you set in the installation wizard. The graphical user interface of this kind of access points I've also shown in other videos. Please have a look to the channel. The device also installs now in 3 different options, which is normal access point, root access point or repeater. And the other opportunity is the WDS bridge between 2 Ethernet networks. Use the wireless as a cable bridge. Now we start up the most common way, which is the root repeat functionality. Log into the device, find it on the wireless list and enter the DHCP. In some areas, because the device has no DHCP connection, you need to fix the IP address of your computer to the 1.x system and then address the device on the standard IP 192.168.1.2. We proceed the same as we did before. Now I use a NWA55AXE, which is the indoor access point. We go through the quick installation wizard and we let the device boot up as a new access point to the existing infrastructure. Then we change the SSID to the functionality root access point. When the device is back to the normal operation, we change into the setup area, AP management, and set the radio profile of the 5 GHz to root AP. After applying, the device may need to boot again. After that, you do the same with a device that is not connect it to the infrastructure, log into this device, open the GUI and set the same profile to repeater. After the device is established as a repeater, it's also easy to set it to a WDS bridge. You simply open the profile, set the device to repeater mode and tick the box Enable WDS wireless bridging. You can also set another WLAN for this connection. The device will not be visible as an access point as it's working as a virtual cable to another network. For any question about the product, please do not hesitate to visit us on support.zyxel.eu. You can find more than 700 help desk articles in different languages and the contact to our support team. We are done with our episode. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss any of our new episodes. Also, you can find us on Facebook. If you are a ZyXEL partner or you are willing to become a ZyXEL partner, then please sign up to partners.zyxel.eu. In this portal, we can offer you great support for your projects as well as a dedicated agent for your questions about our products. Don't miss it and give it a chance to make your turnaround bigger. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.
We're ZyXEL, and we're your networking ally.